So now that we got those out of the way, let's start placing the code down. So in the start function, the first thing I want to do is I want to lock the original rotation's position so it will know where it's going back to. So original, I put ORIG, don't forget, is equals to transform dot local rotation. Don't forget, it's rotation, not position, because we are rotating the object this time. Now let's go into update, and the first thing we want to do is we want to filter the mouse input with a lerp. So we move left and right, we're going to give you a smooth negative and a plus movement, so the angle works out really smooth as well. So direction, which is the dir variable, it's going to be equals to a maths f dot lerp, open bracket. The first float is going to be asked, it's going to ask you for 3 types of floats here. The first one's going to be our direction, then it's going to be our mouse's input, so input dot get axes, open bracket, speech mark, capital M, mouse, space X, close the speech mark, and close the comma, close the bracket, sorry, comma, and then the speed. And we're going to times that with time dot delta time. Close that and close this. So we've got the mouse direction sorted out. Now destination, I want it to be equals to ORIG. Sorry, it's not caps, it's lowercase. Over here I just basically told the destination that it's equals to the camera's original position. So if we start moving the mouse, it'll move back to the original position, which is what we see on screen at the moment. And I made a mistake here already, I could see that because the error popped up over here, and that's lowercase s if you in case you put a capital as well. Okay, and the next one is when we start defining the angles. So I want to find out if, open bracket, close bracket, if our direction is greater than the limit. So if it's a +3, oh goodness, what's wrong with today? Yeah, if our direction is greater than limit, so if it's greater than 3, so +3 or plus whatever it is, I want to change the destination so it can start moving towards the angle. So dest times equals a quaternion type irregular. I hate pronouncing that, so sorry if I pronounce it wrong. And then we're going to start defining the axes we want it to move along to. I don't want it to move on the X, I don't want it to move on the Y, I do want it to move along on the Z axis. So angle will go in here. Don't put angle in X because I tried that when I first made the script and it doesn't work like that. And for some reason you have to put it on the Z axis if you want it to go left and right. And the next one's going to be the same thing, but if, open bracket, direction is less than limit, so minus limit, then destination is going to be times equals quaternion dot Euler, open bracket, 0, 0 minus limit. Don't forget to put your commas, by the way, 0, 0, and then minus limit. Okay, save that. Now that we've got the angles defined, let's start rotating it towards that. So transform dot local rotation is equals to a quaternion dot rotate towards open bracket transform dot local rotation comma the destination is going to go to and the angle it's going to go on, and times that by time dot delta time. Okay, and that seems to be the script. I believe so. Yes, it is. Okay, save this, go back into Unity, let it just update, double checking any errors. Nope, I'm okay. I have the script attached to my main camera. Remember, not cam holder, the main camera. And let's run and see if this works. So our mouse at the moment is currently 0. So I'm going to move it to my right. There we go. The camera moved to my right and 20 degrees on the Z. And it should do the same thing for the negative. Oh, there's something missing, because if you can see, for some reason it's not going along the negative area. Just save the scene, go back into the script, and let's find out what's wrong. If direction is that, then minus the limit destination quaternion dot Euler Aha, I can see the error. I've put limit in the angle place, and that's not right. We're only turning it 0.3 otherwise. So angle is going to be in here. That's what you get if you rush back into Unity. Now let's do that again. So boom, there we are. Beautiful. So yeah, that's how you make a dynamic camera movement script. Now this script is actually powerful, because if you do the scope zoom in and rotate to the left and right, it's going to give that realistic feel that you're looking left and right, and makes it hard to shoot as well. So yeah, that's how you make a dynamic movement script. And thank you for watching, guys. As always, don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next tutorial where we will be learning animations.